Hey guys, welcome to this week's show. I'm Matthias from beardinstructor.com. I'm blogging about beard care and grooming for men. And this week's show is about this product from Macho Beard Company. It's a leave-in conditioner, and what this product can do for us, let's figure out. Yeah, some weeks ago I was reviewing a conditioner from Billy Jealousy that's called the Beard Control Conditioner. And it's a popular product in the States and I really like it, but it contains uncool ingredients. So I'm still looking for a replacement for it. And I found the Macho Beard Company conditioner. And I don't know if it makes a replacement for it. Let's see what it can do for us in the review. In less a minute, you will feel how your beard reaches a new dimension. Wow, that's a promise, I would say. The first thing I notice is that this product seems to target a different goal than the Jealousy Beard Control. It is mainly developed to repair damaged beard hair. The Steve Leave-In, how they name it, is a dry conditioner that will repair your beard in a minute. And that's what they promise. Perfect to treat split ends, regenerate cuticles, and repair and nourish damaged hair. Well, that's not what I expected, of course, but still I'm curious if my beard reaches that new dimension. Conditioners are made to soften the beard, and to get this, they are often made with silicones to get this effect. Macho Beard Company promises that this product was made with a unique formula with natural ingredients only, and I can prove it. 100% natural ingredients, not tested on animals, 0% parabens, colorants or PEG, and also 0% silicones. I checked the list of ingredients and didn't find any of these. Pretty cool. For more information and the complete list of ingredients, check the blog post. I put the link in the description below. The conditioner comes in a bottle with 150 milliliters. Unfortunately, there's no dispenser or something. You need to turn the bottle upside down to get it fully empty, and it's sometimes pretty messy to get the product out of the big opening. It has a consistency like a pudding that makes it easy to use, and it's really not runny, so it stays in your palms. The smell is fresh. It includes lemon and lavender notes. It's not strong and it vanishes after a short time. I used it a couple of times already, and after a few minutes you don't notice this fragrance anymore. To use it, just put a little conditioner into your palm, gently massage your beard in and out to moisturize it all. Leave it work for a minute. That's really important. I figured out if you don't wait enough, the beard feels a little greasy, and then you go on with your regular styling. The maker recommends a daily usage. I didn't test that every day. I can't say if this is really helpful or not. There's no silicone or PEG in here, but there's also not the big beard softening effect that I was hoping for, because I'm looking for a replacement for my other conditioner. While I think this is not the case, the product still gives you a nice feeling after usage. In the beginning, I was not convinced. It felt really greasy, but after a few minutes, it worked on my hair. The beard feels better than before. I can't describe. And you can also a little shape it. It's not like it doesn't give so much hold, but it feels really like the hair is going to be repaired a little bit. The price, yeah, the company sells 150 milliliters of this beard conditioner for around about 30 euro. That's not really cheap, but I think it's still a fair price when you keep in mind it's without plastics and it's with all natural products, and it comes from a small Spanish company. And I think it's always good to support new companies on the market. The good things of this product are that it's free of plastics and it repairs your hair, let's say, after swimming. The bads of this product might be the price. It's a little high for some people, I think. And a negative point could be the benefit. For me, it works good. I tried it also after swimming, and I got the feeling that my beard got a little repaired. It was damaged by the chlorines. Yeah, I don't know what to say more. Yes, that's the Macho Beard Company beard conditioner. Do I recommend it? Well, I was looking and hoping for a replacement of my conditioner Billy Jealousy. I didn't find it here because the Macho beard conditioner is not made for styling. I think it's made for repairing your beard, and for that, I think it makes it good. It has a nice smell and it's natural. If you are looking for a product that lets your beard stays in shape, this might not be your solution and you have to look out for something else. Yeah, and that's it for today. If you like this show, don't forget to click the thumbs up button below this clip and subscribe to my channel. And also go to my blog, that's www.beardinstructor.com, with tons of reviews and grooming tips. We see us next week again with another review of a beard watch from Bartpracht, and stay bearded. Bye bye.